right, here we have Melissa. We gave her first adjustment, 8, 12, 11. She had right side of her breast was removed, and she only was aware of it a month before she had it removed. And she's been with us now about 3 months, and we want to let her tell us anything she wanted about her case. So.
All right, I've been very excited to be into the treatment of Dr. Dickholtz. He adjusted my neck in the beginning of August, and I've noticed significant improvement in my cervical pain and shoulder pain. In fact, I have noticed an increase in energy, even though at the beginning I could tell my body was readjusting to all of the treatment and realigning itself. So in my husband's words, whatever this guy did, it was good, because I've never seen you react to a treatment like this before. So I'm thankful to see my immune system improving and hope to continue to see it improve in the future.
All right. She is 35 years young. Before Melissa came here, she did finish her chemotherapy. How long did you have chemotherapy?
3 months. A little bit over 3 months of treatment.
We were instructed not to start your case until several weeks after you got through with your chemotherapy, so we have a true picture of your blood test. Melissa only received one adjustment, as far as I'm concerned. Until we check her, she's still holding her first adjustment. After suffering, well, she had cervical pains for 17 years and cold extremities for 15 years, and these headaches, and everything's showing improvement, including her vitality, which is very important. She has more vitality, and that, they say, is very prognostic as far as cancer is concerned.
About a year ago, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer, and I took several months to look around to see what the options were. I knew, because I had been a very healthy person, that I wasn't going to select or choose the traditional Western medicine form of taking care of the cancer. That is radical surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. I wasn't going to do that. So I was looking around trying to find a resource for taking care of cancer treatment. I found several physicians around the country who does offer normal, natural health care for this prostate cancer. But I have to say that I haven't found anyone that offers the sort of simple, natural treatment that the cervical adjustment that you offer here in Chicago.
Well, you've been here now 6 weeks, and you had an atlas subluxation, and your spine was twisted, and in the x-rays it looked like there was about 60 years of damage there. But tell me how you've been feeling since I adjusted you. And also that fact that you gained a couple of pounds.
Gained a few pounds, and I feel absolutely phenomenal. I feel fantastic.
I've had basal cell since I was 33, and then the melanoma started in '95. And I've had 5 melanomas. I've been going to the biomedical center in Tijuana, Mexico for over 30 years. I was having indigestion, I had heartburn, I was getting to where I was getting gallbladder attacks. And I had a lot of back pain between my shoulder blades and right across the PSI joints, low back. I was tired, and I had a lot of swelling. After you adjusted me, within just a few days, there just were absolutely no symptoms of indigestion, any of that. I never had a gallbladder attack after you adjusted me. And I never had heartburn after you adjusted me. I had a little bit of indigestion for a couple of days, and that was it. It was almost a month before my low back went in. And when it did, I got this terrible headache late in the afternoon. And the next morning I got up and that low back pain was gone. And when I would complain to you during the first 28 days, you said, I don't care. I don't care what happens the first 28 days. Everything's just coming back into alignment. So it's like, geez, I can't even whine, you know. And sure enough, it all came into balance.
Well, your atlas is only off the thickness of 3 fingernails. So would you think that you're getting younger?
Well, you know what? That's what it feels like. And honestly, I ran into some people that hadn't seen me for over a year. And that's exactly what they said. You know, oh my God, you look so much younger. What are you doing?
We have demonstrated in a couple of these cancer patients that their immune system function better. There'll be a couple of more cases on my website that you can see more information. But basically, this is not proof. To have proof, you need a placebo group. And someplace, maybe in the future, we will have a placebo group to correlate what we're doing. And thank you. On a 35-year-old breast cancer case, we are using blood tests, $1,800 worth of blood tests every time she went in. And 3 of the major indicators of your immune system, 2 came back to normal, and 1 was towards normal in 8 weeks' time. So we're showing that the immune system can be brought into play when you take stress out the base of the brain. On the prostate cancer case, he's been with me about 13 or 14 months now, and he's got tremendous amount of energy. And remember, though, the big thing is, as the body's response was that increased the PSA tremendously, what could be a positive thing. And he's enjoying great health. Remember, I've been taking care of him for over a year. But remember, the lymphatic tumor shrunk from 36 to 2. That's a large percentage, with no medical intervention for the lymphatic tumor.